at the Adams Lake Prairie State Nature Preserve. It's a nice hike through a rare prairie, and it says it's a little over half a mile, so we'll let you know what we think. We're going to do both trails. Right off, we're in a little patch of pawpaws. Okay, we've made it to the start of the Prairie Dock Trail, and then we're going to come back around and do the Post Oak, which is the red loop. This is Prairie Dock that you see in green here. Moving on around this little bridge, there is quite an incline here. The next thing we came to was the Blazing Star, and I think I managed to find a few remnants of them here. These spikes. I can only imagine how they looked in the summer. And here are some other flowers we found along the way. This isn't the butterfly that lives in this habitat, and I'm not sure what it is, so we're moving on. I do keep seeing this color of flower that I've never seen anywhere else. This talks about some of the prairie plants' roots being 23 feet. Just look at all this prairie dock. You definitely have to watch where you're walking. We're at the point in the trail where the Post Oak Trail takes off, but if we go to the right, we miss the ant mounds on the left. So we'll just go down to the end of this and then backtrack up to the Post Oak Trail. Oh, there's more ant mounds. So now back up to the Post Oak Trail. The woods trail looks a little steeper. So this guy moseying along, I actually heard him. He has a beautiful home. You definitely have to watch where you're going so as to not get tripped up on the way down the hill. And here we are, right back at the beginning. So let's go sit down and see what John thought about it.
I did take the time to pay attention to my surroundings as I walked through the Prairie Trail, and I gotta tell you, I was really impressed kept it was. And it didn't look like anybody went through with a lawnmower or anything like that. It just maintains itself. It's a really enjoyable walk, and I'd do it again.